artist. Video. Who is she? A consistent Dean's Lister. Period. Dean's Lister. Tapos may plaque siya kasi consistent Dean's Lister for 3 terms.
Worth it naman pala si
surprise ba yan?
Taylor.
Surprise ba? Congrats! Congrats! Yung mga nakaraan niya, di naman yan. Ipopost ko nga yan.
Also a songwriter, a visual artist, and a dreamer. And just like in the video which we saw, which has up to date has 105,000 views, he is ushering us into his introspective mind of wonders. Truly a visionary artist at the crossroads of all artistic mediums. Let us all give it up for no other than Justin!
May experience ko rin yung iba't ibang part ng entertainment industry like acting. Gusto ko rin po sanang makapag-direct ng music video ng ibang artist or makagawa mismo ng film or movie. Ayan po ang mga gusto kong gawin.
Yes, actually, napansin ko nga dun sa mga comments sa YouTube video mo, ng trailer ng music video mo, ang dami nagko-comment na yung may potential ka sa filmmaking. Like, they wanted the video na mas matagal pa. So, I think maraming excited na makita namin yung Justin wearing that hat as a filmmaker. For joining us, this has been Chase Orozco, and have a great evening, everyone!
Anyway, so it is Wednesday. It is a Wednesday and kakatapos lang nung work. And ngayon, kikitain ko si Carl. We're just gonna enjoy. Wow, enjoy! We're just gonna have some couple of drinks and then, yeah, share ko later ba't kami magkikita. But anyway, before anything else, I just wanted to quickly share with you guys that I actually hosted an event. And never in my life I thought that I'd be able to host an event like that. So basically, it's the private launch of Justin's first solo single. Get it? Besh, grabe pa rin ba yung contour ko? I-blend pa natin, ha? Kasi medyo it's not giving. Wait. Blend yan, girl. Yan. Ganyan. Ganon siya. Anyway, so I wanted to share. I wanted to, ganun talaga. Na-share ko sa inyo kung ano yung nasa PR kit niya. So I actually got his PR kit. So this is the PR kit of Justin. So friends from the media got the same PR kit. And I'm gonna show you guys kung ano yun. So let's open the PR kit. Oh my gosh. Oh, Oh, okay. I see. Yeah, I remember kasi part to nung script ko. Anyway, so we just have here some notes. So it's like an introduction of who Justin is and then like what the kit includes. So we have here a Sprout clip to stay grounded. Yan. So ito yung parang uso ngayon. And then, oh my gosh guys, this is so cute. Actually, part to nung pag pinanood nyo yung official music video ni nung Surreal, which is his single, makikita nyo to kung bakit vital tong pair of socks na to. Guys, this is so cute. Like, ay shit, baliktad yata. Oh my gosh, wait. Hindi to fail. It's 1, 2, 3, go. There! Oh my gosh, guys, ang cute! So, yung kit, it also has a sketchbook. So, this is the sketchbook, guys. I'm so gonna use this. As in, kasi meron kaming alignment ng sister ko. Alignment? Yeah, because we have, like, projects and, like, plans coming up this year. Feeling! Anyway, so, Justin, sana matupad yung mga pangarap ko pag sinulat ko dito. We have the pencil over here, and then, may, ano ni Justin, like, part with Fujifilm. Lalagay ko kaya sa table ko. Boyfriend! And then, tote bag. So, this is so cute. Everything's so useful, honestly. Like, there's one thing I've noticed about Justin is that he is so detailed and like, he knows what he wants. So, like, the whole launch, alam mong it screams Justin. It's also nice to see artists na they get to be creative na hindi sila kinakahon. Wow! Kinakahon siya. It was such an honor and I had the most fun working with Justin. Guys, as in, yung experience ko sa kanya is I didn't feel like he was this big star from SB19. Like, hindi niya pinafeel sa akin na ganun. Sobrang comfortable ko talking to him and like doing the interview with him. I'm gonna try to link some interviews sa description box below just so you guys can also see what happened during the PR event or like the private launch event. But yeah, thank you so much Sony Philippines and Carl and of course Justin for having me. It was such a pleasure. I hope hindi ito yung huli. Anyway, so yeah, right now I'm just waiting for Carl. He's already near. So kikita na kami in a few. So I'm gonna take you guys with me para malaman nyo bakit kami magkikita ni Carl. Let's go!
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
Ay, the lighting is not giving, Meme.
I'm feeling 14 sakto. Like 2 weeks.
You're gonna leave.
Indeed.
Where are you going?
Somewhere.
Over the rainbow.
Somewhere far. Somewhere.
Guys, mukha na kami nagbibiro pero legit, aalis na siya. Like, there's literally maletas here. And
Boxes.
so, B, I'm gonna get the whole thing.
Right?
We're gonna drink the night away because... Alang!
Why not?
Yeah, angat ko, sorry.
Blur.
Yeah, I will blur that. In your eyes. Oh, Justin. Di ba ka makapiright tayo?
Right?
Sorry, Sony. Tapos mag-Q&A tayo later. If y'all are wondering, like, nakikita nyo ba yung mga maleta dyan? And like, may mga boxes doon. Yes, Carl is leaving. Like, guys, napansin ko, lahat ng mga taong malapit sa akin, lahat ng taong mahal ko, umaalis, pumunta ng ibang bansa. Perfect example, Silo, Lance, and...
Why?
Joy. Hi. So guys, we are currently here at Four Seasons. I'm with the whole family. So Chesna, everyone's there. We're just having dinner and then alis na din ako in a bit because We are going to the Vibe for Carl's Despedida. Meanwhile, Sophia judging me. What's new?
Hey, babies! Hey,
Okay, so ito-test po natin kung waterproof.
1, 2.
Pag lumabog kayo, waterproof. Pag namatay,
Nice deep breath.
inhale, exhale. Fine. We just wanted to say hi. Ala, doon ako tumitingin. Dapat dito.
Fine. In front of you.
Oh, no. No.
No.
Hindi, B, kasi mas maganda yung
Welcome to Carl's Despedida.
yung tama ng light.
Hey.
Kapag nakaganyan. Mas
Damn, the outfit is giving.
Giving.
And me with my pajama
With
fit.
night bags.
Okay, nagpalit lang ako.
Kumot ka.
Yeah. Ready to sleep, honestly.
Ang kapal talaga niya. Ang kapal talaga niya.
Hi, Kibs.
Or here.
Hey, vloggies!
Babies. Live selling.
Ay, bibigit niyo muna yung it's in the size medium.
Yeah, you're okay. Pull over, girl.
If like
Dips.
Okay.
Wala pang 1, 2,
2, 3.
3. Bips!
Wala pang go.
Well, busy KB nakakaisa pa lang.
Yay!
Jessie, go! Say hi!
Hanapin ko yung channel mo, Chase.
Baby! Yes! Dito sa fama ay Jess, how does it feel? You're going back. Kitang-kita dito sa vlog na nandito ka sa back. So, Jess. Saan? Hey!